Traveling on the roads will be dangerous tomorrow.
From Boston to Worcester.
To stay off the roads tomorrow.
The message is the same. While crews are busy in the central Mass City pre-treating the roadways, Tuesday, the real work begins.
We're looking somewhere in the 18 to 24 inch range.
That is a big number, more than 300 pieces of equipment set to go. But with snowfall rates expected to be an unfair match, they're asking for the public's help, more specifically, to stay put.
That is going to make it impossible for motorists or even plows to see anybody out there. So people should not be trying to venture out.
Worcester officials warn there will be no grace period when it comes to an early morning parking ban.
We will start towing cars at 2 a.m. Tuesday morning. It's critical that we have the streets as accessible as possible.
Something both city managers and the governor want closed.
We strongly encourage other employers to allow people to work from home.
And in case there were some words lost in the flow of the calm before the storm,
We are urging the public to please stay off the roads. Am I getting this message across that we are urging the public to stay off the roads? Urging the public to stay off the roads.
well, the governor being very clear there. Public schools here in Worcester will be closed tomorrow, and something we don't see too often, bus service here in the city will also be shut down during the height of the storm. We're live in Worcester. Nicole Estefan, WCVB News Center 5.